Hey guys, this is Jono from Simple Cookery, and today we are making a soy and butter pasta. Coming up. So, soy and butter pasta. Now it sounds like an odd combination, but trust me, it works wonders, especially when you compare it with our other ingredients that we have. Obviously, we've got our butter and our soy to make our soy and butter sauce. And then with that, we're gonna have lots of garlic. So when you add garlic and butter together in a pasta sauce, it's absolutely delicious. For the pasta, we've got just some regular spaghetti. We've got mushrooms, and then just to add a bit of freshness at the end, we've got some parsley as well. So let's get cooking. So with the prep, we're just gonna finely slice our mushrooms. They don't have to be too precise because we're gonna be sauteing them into the pan, but just make sure they're relatively thin. Now go ahead and finely dice your garlic. Adding garlic to any pasta sauce is gonna be absolutely amazing. So with our butter, I'm just gonna slice off a chunk of our block, roughly about 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm just gonna cut these into smaller cubes so they melt easier in the pan. And finally, with our parsley, we're just gonna finely dice that. And that's pretty much all the prep that we need to do, guys. Super easy, just 3 ingredients really. And now we can start cooking. So bring a pot of water up to a rolling boil, salt it, and then just add in your spaghetti. While the spaghetti is cooking, we can preheat a pan on medium-high heat and add in our butter to melt. When the butter is almost melted, we can add in our garlic and half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Butter, garlic, and chili go absolutely amazing together, and this is gonna form a really great base to our pasta sauce. So once the butter's melted, we're gonna add in our mushrooms and saute these off until they're nicely caramelized and golden brown. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Great, these mushrooms are looking really nice. Now we're just gonna add our secret ingredient, which is soy sauce. When I first heard of this, I thought this was really strange, but soy sauce and butter go really well together and add a really nice umami taste to the pasta. Cook the sauce off, and when your spaghetti is ready, drag the spaghetti into your pan along with the pasta water. The pasta water is really important here, guys, because it's salted and nice and starchy from all the pasta that's been cooking in it for the last 10 minutes. When you combine the pasta water with the butter and soy, that's what creates the body to your pasta sauce. Give it a few tosses if you're brave enough, and make sure you mix it well. And finally, we're gonna add our freshly diced parsley, and that's what's gonna give the pasta sauce a really nice kick of freshness at the end. And make sure you leave some just to garnish over the top at the very end as well. Give that another good mix, and we are ready to serve. So get a plate, and we're just gonna serve this up. Make sure you get some of those beautiful mushrooms on top. A few tablespoons of that gorgeous soy and butter sauce. And finally garnish with a bit more of that finely diced parsley. And that's our soy and butter pasta. Enjoy, guys.
Damn, that looks so good.
We haven't made pasta in a while on this channel. So
yeah, that's right. Look at the color as well. It's like so vibrant and nice. The presentation's amazing.
Man, when you just add butter and garlic into a pasta sauce, it just works wonders. And now
I'm just gonna dig in.
Yeah, there we go.
It's alright. You can just talk. You can talk. I'm always doing the eating. This combination really works, with like pasta with like Asian influence.
Yeah.
Like soy sauce.
It's Asian fusion.
Asian fusion.
Yeah.
I think the soy sauce was really interesting. I wasn't really expecting it to work, but it really did. And like,
So yeah, get creative in the kitchen, guys. As always, give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm, and it's a really great way to help support the channel, and it's free. Subscribe down below if you haven't already and you want to see other future episodes. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what other recipes you would like to see on this channel. We haven't made pasta in a while, so today we decided to make some pasta. last few weeks we've been making a lot of Japanese recipes. So yeah, let us know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. We'd love to hear from you. Anyways, guys, that's it from us. We're out.
Alright, bye.